information, link down below if you want to check it out, as well as the unboxing that I did recently for my Google Nest Audio, which I will be doing a full comparison with this speaker in the near future. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when that drops. Definitely stay tuned for that. It's going to be a pretty fun video. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you have the Amazon Echo 4th Gen or any other Amazon Echo or smart tech products like this. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so the Amazon Echo 4th generation will run you $130 Canadian. It's available in charcoal, twilight blue, and glacier white. It has a built-in Zigbee smart hub for controlling smart devices. Premium speaker with Dolby Atmos audio, delivers clear and crisp vocals and highs, dynamic mid-range, and rich deep bass. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack in case you want to plug in a phone. It also has Bluetooth for normal Bluetooth speaker functionality, which is pretty cool. Yeah, without further ado, let's hop into this. Alrighty, here we go. So, classic light blue Amazon Echo presentation. If you've ever seen another Amazon product, probably similar box. Yeah, really nice presentation with a big photo of the Echo on the front. On one side it says two 0.8-inch tweeters, 3-inch woofer, Zigbee smart home hub, 3.5mm line in out, Bluetooth hands-free with Alexa, microphone on/off button. In the box is the Echo, a power adapter. Setup is simple and requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon Alexa app. On the back, Alexa is happy to help with some things that you can do. And smart speaker plus Alexa. The updated design delivers clear highs, dynamic mids, and deep bass for rich, detailed sound. Play music, check the weather, and access Alexa skills, all with your voice. Call friends and family hands-free. Plus, use the built-in hub to easily set up and control compatible smart devices. Yeah, so that's the what's on the box. Let's talk about what's in the box. Alright, right on the box it shows that you need a phone, the Amazon Alexa app, and the Alexa itself. Pop it open, you get the Echo itself, which is also surprisingly heavy for the size, just like the Nest Audio, but definitely feels high quality. Got a really nice smell to it as well. Yeah, that's what it looks like. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's see what else is in the box. It's got your instructions below. File those to the side. And then the other thing that you get is just the power cable. So, white cable with the brick attached with the cord to plug into the Alexa, Amazon Echo. Yeah, pretty solid, good quality cable. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up and then I'll be back in a few minutes. Alrighty, so just set up the Amazon Echo. Took me a minute because I haven't set up one of these in a while, but eventually I figured it out. All the settings are in the app, so make sure you have that on your phone. So obviously that's required for setup. Yeah, let's test this out with a few questions. So the first one, obviously it is a speaker, so I want to hear how the sound is. So Alexa, play The Butcher by Adam Calhoun.
Gumbo by Adam Calhoun from Spotify.
Alexa, play The Butcher by Adam Calhoun.
The Butcher by Adam Calhoun from Spotify.
There we go. Didn't understand me at first. That's interesting. There we go. Volume controls right on the device.
Place I can't pronounce. This bitch I brought with me ass goofy like a basset hound. She don't fuck dudes unless the transactions cash amount. That's about $100 grand a week. What she's asking now. I don't give a fuck, it's just paper, dog. Told her bring her friends with. All they drink is Vegas bombs. Naked when cocaine's involved. Threw a bottle at the painted wall. I'm insane. I paint pictures you can buy at banquet halls. Name a record I ain't break. I broke bread, I should have saved it. When you make it to the
Alexa, pause. Yeah, sounds pretty good. I'm gonna have to do some more in-depth testing and compare this to the Google Nest Audio, because the bass on this almost sounds better. I don't know if it's more full or deeper or just something makes it sound a little better. I don't know. Stay tuned for my full comparison between the Amazon Echo 4th generation and the Google Nest Audio coming soon. I think it'd be interesting to pit those up against each other because they are very similar in terms of size, pricing, all that sort of thing. Yeah, let's try another one. Alexa, what is the weather in Austin, Texas?
Currently, in Austin, United States, it's 11 degrees Celsius with clear skies. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 8 degrees.
Alexa, who is Post Malone?
Austin Richard Post, known professionally as Post Malone, is an American rapper, singer, songwriter, and record producer.
Alexa,
Known for
what is Bluetooth?
Bluetooth is a technology standard for short-distance wireless data transfer using radio waves.
Alexa, what is 10 times 10?
10 times 10 is 100.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:36 p.m. Enjoy your night.
Very cool. Yeah, so next let's check out plugging this into a phone. I'm just gonna grab another phone and we'll test this to see how the pairing process works. Yeah, let's do that now. Alrighty, so we got another phone, iPhone 13 with the Insignia Lightning to 3.5 millimeter cable. Gonna just plug this in on the back. It's right next to the power cable. Plug that in. It should just connect right away. It doesn't seem to be wanting to connect for some reason. Even though it says on the phone that I'm connected via the cable. So that doesn't seem to want to connect. I'm gonna have to do some more investigation. Once I figure it out, I'll put it in the description of this video or in a comment if I figure out how to make it work. But I figured just plugging in a Lightning to 3.5 cable should work. If it's not for some reason, so let's try Bluetooth next. There we go. Okay, cool. So for Bluetooth, you just say, Alexa, pair.
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. To set up a new device, go to your Alexa app, now connected to Bluetooth.
There we go. Cool. So you got the phone's volume maxed, and you can control it from here as well. There you go. It's working. Very cool. Dope. So if you want to use it as a Bluetooth speaker, you can definitely do that, which is pretty cool. Yeah, or just stream to it like you would normally. Yeah, so that's how to connect to Bluetooth on the Amazon Echo 4th generation. Alrighty, yeah, so that's how to connect the Amazon Echo Dot. Oh, goddamn speak. Shit. Alrighty, so yeah, that's how to connect the Amazon Echo 4th generation to a phone via Bluetooth for use as a Bluetooth speaker. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so that's the Amazon Echo 4th generation. Really good design, really good sound quality. Pretty basic unboxing experience, but a nice box nonetheless. Volume up and down on the speaker, mute switch as well, or to manually trigger Alexa, just hit the button. Yeah, pretty dope so far. I'm gonna test this out. Stay tuned for my Alexa versus Google Assistant, Echo 4th generation versus Nest Audio comparison coming soon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when that comes out. Leave a like on this video, comment down below if you have any Amazon Echo speakers or if you have Google speakers and which ones you use, which one you think is better. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.